All right, so when you have a question like this, I want to teach us how you can solve a simple question like this. It's actually simple, but it looks complex. All right, so when you have a linear equation like this, x squared plus 1 over 3x raised to the power of minus 1 equals to minus 2. So how do you solve this kind of question? How can you look for x? The question says find x. All right, so if you are looking for x, you will think it's very difficult. It's not actually difficult. You just have to simplify the equation, all right? So let's go. Solution. Now, what I want to do for us is, first of all, you have x squared equals to 1 over 1 divided by 3x raised to the power of 9. So we are going to write this question in another way, which is like this. S squared plus 1 divide, are you seeing it now? We'll write 1 divided by 3x raised to the power of minus 1, which is equals to minus 2. All right? Now that we have written this, don't forget that this 3 raised to the power of minus 1 will give us this. S squared plus 1 divide. This 1 now, if we write it again, we are going to have 1 over 3x. All right? Which is equals to minus 2. Because of this minus 1, we get 1 over 3x. So now, guys, we are going to look for the LCM of this guy. Not LCM, actually. Uh, if you have a number dividing a fraction, we are going to apply KCF rule. Our KCF rule says keep, change, and flip. So if we do this, we have s squared plus 1. We'll change this division to multiplication, and this 3x will go up, 1 will come down. So we have 3x over 1, which is equals to minus 2. All right, guys. So now that we have this, what we are going to do now is to move this minus 2 to this side. All right. So we are moving minus 2 to this side to make the equation a quadratic equation because we have x squared here. So now we have s. So before we do that, let's multiply this. We have s squared plus 1 times 3x will give us 3x, which is equals to what? Minus 2. Now we are going to move the number, which is this. Move this to this side. So we have s squared, which is equals to what? 3x minus, if you move to this side, minus will change to plus 2, which is equals to what? 0. So now we have 0. We have a quadratic equation. S plus, sorry. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. All right. So what are the factors that you can add? So you can multiply to get 2, and when you add them together, you are going to get plus 3. So it is 2 and 1. All right. So we are going to, with that said, our answer will now be x, which is equals to s plus 1. Sorry. We have s plus 1, then x plus 2, which is equals to what? 0. So this equation is going to give us x plus, we are separating them now, x plus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. So we are going to move this plus 1 to this side. We'll move this plus 1 to this side into the x equals to minus 1, or s equals to minus 2. And this is the final answer. All right, guys. So this is how to solve a quadratic equation that what's it called now? An exponential equation that leads to what? Quadratic equation. So when you have an exponential equation that will lead to quadratic equation, this is how to solve it. Thank you for watching.